In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front brake pad wear sensor on this BMW 325Xi. Let's get into it. Remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel so it doesn't fall. Take that out, grab the wheel, and slide it off. Taking some needle nose pliers, we're going to grab the brake pad wear sensor and just pull it out, just like that. It's on the bleeder right here. You can just pop this little cap off. I'll pull that out, that retainer. We're going to pop open this box. There's just two little clips right there. And slide the connector out, just like that. There's a tab you got to push down on the connector, push it down, it slides right out. Take the connector, I'm going to line it up. It only connects one way. Lock it in place. Slide the connector in the door. Close that door. Slide the grommet in place right there. Follow this over here to the bracket. Slide that in place. Take the brake pad wear indicator, line it up, and push it in place. Slide the wire under the bleeder cover and secure it down. Put the wheel on. Just line it up. Get the lug stud started. Put the wheel on. Just line it up. Get the lug stud started. Snug those all down. Now we're going to torque the lug studs to 96 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.